Well, a weekend of holiday travel was plagued by hundreds of flight cancellations across the country. Dozens of flights in and out of Boston were canceled yesterday, and nearly 30 more are already canceled today. Airlines say they are struggling to staff flights because of the Omicron variant, and some are now asking the CDC to shorten the quarantine period for those who are fully vaccinated to try and solve some of these ongoing problems. Courtney Keeley of CBSN has more on the weekend disruptions.
Just a day after Christmas, holiday travelers were left stranded amid a surge in COVID cases among airline crews.
It's stressful, absolutely stressful, but we're just trying to take it as it comes, and that's all you can do.
More than 3,000 flights were canceled between Friday and Sunday, a trend that's expected to continue today.
It was supposed to be, a nice family vacation, so it's been upsetting.
This cruise ship that left San Diego for Mexico last week returned to port Sunday due to a COVID outbreak among a small number of vaccinated crew on board. A new group of passengers boarded the ship later on.
No concerns. I'm careful and we're fully vaccinated.
At least a couple preliminary studies suggest that people infected by the fast-moving Omicron variant are much less likely to be hospitalized than they would with the Delta variant. Still, health officials say now is not the time to let our collective guard down.
We've got to be careful that we don't get complacent about that, because it might still lead to a lot of hospitalizations in the United States.
Today in New York City, private sector businesses will be required to make sure their workers have been vaccinated against COVID-19, but there are health and religious exemptions. COVID rates among children are up fourfold in the city from last week, with approximately half of those hospitalized under the age of 5. Courtney Keeley, CBS News, New York.